Hello aspirants. In this model, we are going to discuss an interesting IPR classification, geographical indication. Before we discuss the definition of geographical indication, we need to understand two important terms. The first one, goods. Goods means any agricultural, natural or manufactured goods or any goods of handicraft or of industry and includes foodstuff. Indication includes any name, geographical or figurative representation or any combination of them conveying or suggesting the geographical origin of goods to which it applies. What is geographical indication? Any name which is not the name of a country, region or locality of that country shall also be considered as the geographical indication if it relates to a specific geographical area and it is used upon or in relation to particular goods originating from that country, region or locality. The definition of geographical indication under section 21E GA Act is geographical indication in relation to goods means an indication which identify such goods as three type of goods. The definition talks about. The first one is agricultural goods, natural goods or manufactured goods. They are the goods originating or manufactured in the territory of a country or a region or locality in that territory, where a given quality of that goods, reputation of that goods or other characteristic of such goods is essentially because of attributable to its geographical origin. And in case where such goods are manufactured good means one of the activities of either the production or of processing or preparation of the goods concerned takes place in such territory, region or locality as the case may be. The quality of goods, either it may agricultural goods, it may be natural goods or it may be manufactured goods. Agricultural goods or natural goods, maybe they are originating from particular territory of a country or a region or locality in that territory. But the quality or reputation or special characteristics of such good is essentially because of that particular geographical origin. If the manufactured good means either the activities of the production or of processing or preparation, any one of the steps of manufacturing takes place in such territory, region or locality. So to identify those goods, the geographical indication is the term is helpful. Indications are not registrable. For registrability, the indications must fall within the scope of section 21E of GA Act 1999. Being so, it has also satisfied the provisions of section 9. Section 9, which prohibits the registration of a geographical indication. What are the indications are not registrable? The use of which could be likely to deceive or cause confusion, or the use of which would be contrary to any law for the time being in force, or the indication which comprises or contains scandalous or obscene matter, or the indication which comprises or contains any matter likely to hurt the time being in force, some religious belief of any class or section of the citizens of India. The indication which would otherwise be dismantled to protection in a court, or the indication which are determined to be generic names or indications of goods and are therefore not or cease to be protected in their country of origin, or which have fallen into misuse in that country, or which although literally true as to the territory, region or locality in which the goods originate, but falsely represent to the persons that the goods originate in another territory, region or locality as the case may be. Geographical indication application. Every application for registration of geographical indication shall be made in the prescribed forms and shall contain the following. A statement as to how the geographical indication serves to designate the goods as originating from the concerned territory in respect of specific quality reputation, or other characteristics. The three certified copies of class of goods to which the geographical indication relates to. The geographical map of the territory. The particulars of the appearance of the geographical indication, words or figurative elements or both, a statement containing such particular of the producers of the concerned goods proposed to be initially resisted, including a collective reference to all the producers of the goods in respect of which the application is made. Principal place of business in India. Every application for registration of a geographical indication shall state the principal place of business in India. A body corporate should state the full name and nationality of the board of directors. Foreign applicants and persons having principal place of business in their home country should furnish an address for service in India. In the case of a body corporate or any organization or authority established by or under any law for the time being in force, the country of incorporation or the nature of registration, if any, as the case may be, shall be given. The statement contained in the application shall also include the following details: an affidavit as to how the applicant claimed to represent the interest of the association of persons or producers or any organization or authority established under any law. The standards benchmark for the use of a geographical indication, or the industry standard as regards the production, exploitation, making, or manufacture of the goods having specific quality, reputation, or other characteristic of such goods that is essentially attributable to its geographical origin, with a detailed description of the human creativity involved, if any, or other characteristic. The particulars of the mechanism to ensure that the standards, quality, integrity, and consistency or other special characteristics are maintained by the producers or manufacturer of the goods. How they are maintaining the quality of the goods, what is the mechanism behind this? So those are the details should be given in the statement. 3 certified copies of the map of the territory, region, or locality. The particulars of special human skill involved in or the uniqueness of the geographical environment or other inherent characteristic associated with the goods. So aspirants, in this model, we have discussed what is geographical indication, what are the definitions of goods and indications, how to register a geographical indication, what is the application content for registration of a geographical indication, and what is the statement we need to file when we register a geographical indication. I hope this many details will be definitely helpful when you file geographical indication. Wish you good luck. Thank you.